Alright, what's up guys? So, I think you are guys waiting for this moment. Oh wait, something's wrong. Let me just change it for a sec. Wait, I need to change something for a sec. And there, that should fix the problem. So this was the problem. So I bet you guys are waiting for this moment right now. And this is part 4. And you might be wondering how I got this skin. You can actually watch this how I got Robux in the last episode. So I actually managed to unlock the haunted island, so let's go. And actually guys, I got so much. Like look at that. I got like 37. I was just mining until I got 34. So yeah. And by the way guys, I only have like 20 Robux left, so it's bad. And guys, I also have a very big secret to tell you. Here's actually this in the representation. So, and I am gonna tell actually a very hidden secret story in Pet Simulator X. So stay tuned for the next video about that, because I'm gonna make that. So it's gonna be insane, man. Got 38 so far.
Wait, I'm so dumb. I didn't know that I can unlock all map for 200 Robux, but I only have 20 left.
Oh, that's good. And guys, I actually managed to get another pixel thing slime because I was like playing Pet Simulator X in hardcore, right? And then I saw in the chat that first person to subscribe and comment to my channel, that he will give a pixel slime pet, and it's hardcore. So yeah, so there's all my things. I like got so many hardcore pets. So yeah, I think let's like, I don't really know what we're gonna do. So yeah, I don't have any friends in here, so I'm all alone. My friends I'm all alone in this server, so let me check if I have a friend. And no. And by the way guys, I also have premium right now. Is this premium? Do I got premium or not? So let me speed up until I get 1 million. Alright, I think we're gonna click it for a sec. Click it. I got 500, not bad. Right, let's do it like 4 times. 5 times? Okay, let's go for 5 times. So let's go. Bruh, I only got like a few. Oh wait, we're actually close. I'm actually getting like, it's so close right now. I kinda like wanna do something like, I don't know. Oh wait, guys, I want to find something first. So I'm gonna like at the same time till I found something, a secret. So let me do it real quick. So guys, I actually found something, but so I actually found nothing but useless stuffs. But there is another secret in hardcore mode, so but I cannot unlock it in hardcore mode, so we're gonna do it in the normal world. So firstly, go to the to Tech World. If you unlocked, then go to the giant alien chests. So yeah, that is my goal in hardcore, is to go here, and you see that when you reach this, the giant alien chest, like try to look in your right and you will see a door, but I can't. And there is actually a hoverboard here. There is a hoverboard, and the hoverboard is this one over here. I'm just gonna put a circle on it, so if you guys don't see it. Okay, so it was right there, so let me just pick that thing real quick. Give me some tech coins. I got a lot of tech coins. How much tech coins do I even got? Right, so let's go back to hardcore mode and do our best progress, because I might need so much fantasy coins, because I need 70.5, I think, billion fantasy coins to unlock Tech World. So yeah, that is gonna be like so long. So I'm gonna do it like another like part 5. I don't really know what part 5 is gonna be, so I'm just gonna go. Wait, it's my friend's OYT. Wait, is that a hardcore? Yo, wait, I'm lagging. Yo, it's a hardcore, bro. I wish I have that, but I can't. And I really want to unlock the Hell Island now and the Heaven Island, because I cannot unlock this, so I'm only in 40 million right now, and this is 666. And guys, do not say that, because that is literally by me. Bruh, everyone is literally trading me. I'm just gonna... Oh, holy moly. I'ma give him these. I'ma give him these. Oh no. Bruh, you just canceled anyway. I know I will cancel. Why did you even give me a trade? Like, what the fuck? Another fucking trade. Bruh. What kind of a trade is that? I need some progress to help, bro. Okay. Wait. Let me check something real quick. And someone actually like invited me to the bank. This was the old bank though. This is an old bank. I give them some fuel. Someone actually invited me to their bank, and this is what their bank looks like. And my cousin is only just tier 4. I mean tier 3, and this guys literally tier 4. So yeah. But I'm not quite rich yet. I'm not quite rich, but I do have above 12 trillion power though. But I'm not quite rich. I'll be rich like for so long days. Next month I will get more Robux, so I will buy Game Pass. Let me see what Game Pass is in here, because I really want to. Magic Egg, Triple Egg. I'm gonna buy these. Triple Egg. Oh wait, it's 800 Robux. Are you serious? Okay. It's time instead of 4. Alright, I'll buy that. I'll buy that when I get more Robux. And it's 300. Okay, I actually own this, so yeah. There's a new one. Teleport anywhere. Yo, I wanna buy these. Because it says teleport anywhere instantly. So I'm gonna buy that if I get more Robux next month, because I'm getting more Robux in next month in 11. I think I think next month is October 11. And in October 11, I will get more Robux. So I can teleport anywhere I want. Because I really want to teleport to Tech World. And then get the hoverboard. Get this hoverboard. Yo, this actually is like super fast. Because it has 3 flames, bro. We're still mining. And this takes so long. Oh wait, I have an idea. I have an idea. I need to get away so that gift won't fly to me. So when I break the chest. Okay, go. Let's go. Now I got one. I got 2 million. I just got 2 million from that. Oh wait. Right. Break the chest. And let's go. I think I didn't quite go fast. I think I got 2 million, I think. Bro, this is gonna take a long time. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end the video now. I'm gonna end the video now because I'm getting kind of bored. So I'll see you guys in like a few weeks or a few days because I'm making so much progress right now and I only have 45 million. I only have 45 million fantasy coins. Like, bro. Alright guys, so see ya. Peace.